Or this time the Quick Speed Shop. I'm on the road. I'm in Newburgh, New York. I'm in one of the VTwin manufacturing warehouses here in downtown Newburgh. You're not going to believe the stuff I got in this video. I'm doing some work, doing some demo work at a car dealership, but we got all this cool stuff to look at. And we're going over to the Motorcyclopedia Museum in a future video to check that out. So stay tuned. If you like old motorcycles, this video is for you. I'm a professional. Don't try this at home. Alright guys, well, welcome back to the Quick Speed Shop. I'm hooking up my truck and trailer. I got a secret mission I'm going on. Help my friend out. I'm going about 5 hours away. Here, let me show you what I got hooked up. Alright, so I got the Project Green Machine truck here hooked up. I got my trailer hooked up. I just had to redo my wheel bearings. Three of them were loose for some reason. I tightened them up a little bit and greased them up. We're ready to go. So I'm going down to the Catskill Mountains. We're going down past them into Newburgh, New York on the Hudson River, and hopefully this thing can pull the trailer up them hills. It's a little hilly on the highway, but we'll slow and we'll make it. So I'll show you what we're doing down there if I can. It's kind of a half secret, half not, but something good is going to happen out of it. Something to help me out here. So I'll get down there and then we'll see what happens. I also got a couple videos coming out at the Motorcyclopedia Museum down there. Hold on, let me flip you around. So when I get to the museum down there, it's the Motorcyclopedia Museum. I think it's the largest motorcycle museum in the world in Newburgh, New York. And I'm going to go through. My friend does a lot of restorations for there. So we're going to go on a private tour through there. And I'm going to shoot a couple videos. It's unbelievable. You've got to go and check it out if you're into motorcycles. There's lots and lots of Indians, a whole Indian timeline from the start to finish. There's choppers, movie bikes, all kinds of stuff. It's a huge museum, and I'll take you around there. I'm going to probably do a couple videos down there just because there's so much to look at. It's going to be super awesome. But I'm going to fire up the truck. I'm waiting for my friend Ted to get here with his truck and trailer, and then we're going down. I'll jump forward in the video to when I'm down there, and I'll show you what we're working on. Alright guys, I'm on the road. I'm in Newburgh, New York today, and I'm down here working on some lifts in a building, an old car Toyota dealership. We're taking the lifts down and I'm bringing someone back to the Quick Speed Shop. My friends Ted and Tom are with me, and they're getting some lifts too. So we're going to go over there and I'll show you what we're working on there. But right now I'm down in downtown Newburgh, right by the river, and we're in Ted Cycle's warehouse, one of his warehouses for selling chopper parts. He owns VTwin Manufacturing and Ted Cycle from back in the day here in the Newburgh area. And this is the Resnick, I think it's called, warehouse. And I'm just going to show you around some of this chopper stuff that's hanging in here. If you're in the 60s and 70s chopper stuff, you're going to appreciate this. And VTwin's the biggest manufacturer of Harley Indian parts in the world. And we're going to take a look around and see what we see. So here we go. All kinds of stuff here. Serv car bodies. This place is crazy. I guess this is one of Ted's warehouses, just where he has stuff for sale here. Parts and pieces. Look at that. Oh, there's more. Oh. Wow. This is just amazing. Sidecar frames. Is this Indian Scout probably? Look at all the frames. Holy moly. The chrome Springer front ends. Look at that. Here's something that rides on train track here, train wheels. Wow.
That's where all the TVs.
This is where all the TVs went.
Isn't that cool?
This is awesome.
You've been buying up all kinds.
Holy shamoly. This is awesome.
So you can pretty much say all this here came out of the black hole. Oh yeah.
We were down here before, remember?
Yeah. And but it
didn't no
cataracts or anything like
no,
that.
it didn't look like this.
Caesar and his guys have been working in here for a couple of years now, fixing all this up. Read prints. Yeah.
Here's a visible gas pump.
Yeah. This place keeps going. Hey, there's where all the legs went. He's a leg man. All about organization. Those guys, you know, they put a lot of work into this. All of this is coming out of another building. You'll never get it any more sorted than this, you know. Yeah. But guys come in here and spend, you know, hours and hours getting through stuff, looking for parts that they can use.
Holy moly. Oh, there's the rooster from the black hole.
Yep.
Dad,
Hey, Dad.
got a Wurlitzer jukebox over here.
That's new. I've never seen that before.
It's from Buffalo. That's where they had the cruise in the Wurlitzer plant.
Yeah, but I'm saying I've never saw that jukebox.
Phone booth. Got
We're
a
over here.
got
Off
a
the ramp.
got a Wurlitzer jukebox, a phone booth.
With a Bud Light clocks.
Dude, this is all enamel on the inside. That's all enamel panels in there.
There's another phone booth there.
Yeah.
Behind you. Yeah, they're porcelainized on
Yeah.
the inside.
There's a Wurlitzer hi-fi over there.
Yep. We did cast iron chicken. That is cool. That is really cool. He had a plan. He wanted me to paint it, and they were going to put it out on Liberty Street someplace. And
Put his knock out?
no, yeah, put stock out. That was another thing that never materialized. You know? Yes, so we're going to do it, and then it never happened. Oh, service cars, all kinds of restorable motorcycles hanging out. There's a Simplex 3-wheel. Yeah, with a Honda motor in it. There's another one, better one, someplace around.
Go-kart wheels, tires. Bowling ball.
Yeah.
Bowling ball.
What's this?
Bowling ball rack. Lawnmower.
What's this?
Bowling trophies.
What's this really early car over here with a motor under the seat from probably 1897 to 1901?
Yeah, that's international, I think.
Is it really?
What? That actually was running for a while.
A guy had a Maytag car set up the same way down at Hershey. He wanted $160,000 for it.
Yeah, this is big bucks.
Yeah.
Did you see the Packard touring car that was over at the Black Hole?
Yes.
Did I show that to
Yes.
you? Yeah, that's still over there.
There's a radial engine over here.
Yeah.
Is it like
That was in the Black Hole.
Is it a Pratt and Whitney or something?
I don't know. Can you imagine having all this stuff?
You know, on one hand, Tom, it would be awesome, but on the other hand, like I said before, some of my happiest memories that we had to lease them out. Oh, radial engine. Yeah. I'm really giving a couple of them.
You know, the Serby car. All these motorcycles, you know, I've already restored all the good ones.
Lancaster, New York.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, there's more.
Robbie's not a real mechanic, he's one
This place is nuts. We could spend all day down here. We're gonna look around some more, then we gotta get back to the garage where we're working. So just want to give you guys a little shot of this cool stuff here, and we're gonna go back and work on those car lifts. Okay, the real reason I came down to Newburgh is we're at an old Toyota dealership that the Motorcyclepedia Museum bought, and they're gonna use it for part of their VTwin business or the museum business or whatever. And we're in here demoing out the 2-post lifts, and we're bringing some back up home, and been working here for 2 days getting them down. This building over here, we got some out of the back bay down here, some bigger truck lifts, and then this is the car building behind me. Let me go inside and we'll show you. We'll take a look around and see what we're working on in the back. Aha! So this was a Toyota dealership in Newburgh, and then it was some kind of auto sales, Payless car sales, I guess it says here. And typical Toyota gray and red stripes here, and typical what do you call it? A little dealership, looks like any other little car dealership you've been in. But we're out here in the back, the lifts here. Let's go in the service area. I guess I count as an employee today. Aha! We're out here in the shop where the cars will get worked on, and these lifts here, these are rotary 2-post lifts. These are all 7,000-pound lifts in here. We got some bigger ones down in the back building, but we've been working all day here getting these things demoed out. Got the hydraulic lines unhooked. Got the hydraulic motor, and we're just gonna get these unbolted, take them down on the forklift, and get them loaded up on the trailers. So we've been working away at that. Not too exciting, not really much to see. Just a lot of pulling things apart, making noise and getting greasy. But that's what I've been up to, and we're gonna keep working because we're on a time deadline. I'll get everything put on my trailer and get back home. I'm about 5 hours away from here. We're down by the city, and we'll get it loaded up and get back to the Quick Speed Shop and take a look. Hopefully I make it back all right, because this load is going to be heavy. goes Tom. He's got 4 lifts on there. Holy cow, that's loaded. That's loaded. Got Ted over there with a Toyota, leaving the Toyota dealership. He's got 2 heavy dogs on there, some 12,000 pounders. I got old Project Green Machine here loaded right down. I've got a whole bunch of lifts on here. Let's see, there's four on here. There's a 9,000, a 10,000, and then 2 7,000 stacked up. So my truck's gonna struggle lugging this thing back because it's old and whipped. There he goes up the hill. So here we go. Oh, Ted's got his clothes over here. So that's it. We're gonna get on the road. We've been here for 3 days. I'm like about crippled back-wise. We got all these lifts. We got to go get them going. Hold on. I got to take Ted's clothes to him. And we're gonna vacate Newburgh and get back up to where we're going and see what happens. Well, after 6.5 hours, I made it back here. Nothing fell off. It looks like everything is still on here. Pretty good. I've got to go, my friend there, Ted, is helping us. I got to go up, and some of these are his, unload these and smoothing things around. But we made it back, old Project Green Machine. She was a screamer, uphill, 45 miles an hour in some of the steep hills and 3,000 RPM in 3rd gear. But it lugged all this weight all the way back, and the old 351 Windsor, she's tired, but she got the job done. So I'm here. I'm gonna fire this thing up and go put everything away. So, bam, another successful excursion on the road from the Quick Speed Shop. So thanks everybody for watching. A little cool excursion there, going to that old warehouse where all VTwin's got all their extra parts for sale, and seeing those bikes hanging up there. That was super cool. Got these lifts demoed out and transported back. That was a long haul, and I'm back. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the Quick Speed Shop.